I'm painting a ceramic plate. Glass.
It's Santa Claus and Rudolph the reindeer.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
In the plate we have paint, a brush, and a plate.
Let's open it.
The colors are black, red, white, green, brown, and beige.
And beige.
And black.
Yeah, let's start it.
This is an example how to read the plate.
Okay, so cookies for Santa, carrots for the reindeer, Rudolph, and this is Father Christmas and Rudolph the reindeer.
I'm starting with the red color. Dip, dip. Like the paint. Nose of Rudolph.
Nice. I like the nose. Beautiful.
A brown color. Dip, dip.
Now brown color.
Now brown color. Dip, dip. Now brown color for the reindeer. Now brown color for the reindeer.
Okay. Nice. It's dark brown, isn't it?
Rudolph the reindeer.
Rudolph the reindeer.
Santa is complete. His hat is complete. His beard is complete. His eyebrows are complete. And his jacket is complete.
And his mustache are complete. Let's continue.
Yeah.
Continuing the reindeer. Good job. Rudolph's tongue is red. And we already completed the words carrot for the reindeer. Now we still have to do the top sentence, cookies for Santa. Very good. Slowly, slowly. Santa's lips are pink. If we make a little mess, that's fine. We can clean it after. Santa's hand.
It's a glove.
He's wearing gloves. That's why it's white. The other one with his thumbs up. Some more. And the plate is almost complete. Beige for the face. So Santa's nose. The nose. The forehead. And the cheeks.
This plate is complete. Now, this plate is complete.
Okay, you already made another plate before.
Yeah.
And you followed the instruction. You made it exactly the same as the picture in the box. So it's same. But on this one, you have choose your own colors and your own design. They look beautiful.
Which one do you like the most?
I like them both.
Both.
They're beautiful. I like this one because we chose what we want. And I also like this because it's beautiful as well.
I like this one the most. How about you?
Which one you like the most?
Me, this one.
You like this one the most?
We need to wait for 24 hours in the night when it's the next day.
Then after that, we can put them in the oven for half an hour and bake them for the color to last.
Bye bye. Thank you for watching.